Hello everybody, my name is Craig. I'm the lead developer of Zicula, and I'm here today to show you how to do an install of our newest product, Core 2.0.0, using the command line. First, we're going to need to get a copy of the source code. So I'm here on the website at GitHub, Zicula Core, and we're going to click on Releases. And you can see the first release here is Zicula Core 2.0.0. By the time you watch this video, that may of course be raised higher. Be sure to download the newest version that is available. I'm going to click on this tar file here and download the source. It will only take a moment. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to move that file into my site's root. Now, this process for you may be something like uploading by FTP to your website. I'm running a local installation of MAMP, and so I'm installing that into the folder where that works. I'm going to now unarchive that. And then for ease, I'm going to rename this directory so it's easier for us to find later. Now, in order to continue, we're going to need a database. So I'm here at phpMyAdmin. I'm going to create a new database called tutorial. And it's important for collation that you select UTF-8 General CI. Click Create. Now we have a database ready to go. And now we can begin the installation process. First, I need to navigate to the directory. And you can see all of our source files are present. We're just going to do the straight install here. So we're going to type php bin console Zicula install start. Now it's going to ask us several questions in order to make a proper installation. We're going to choose our default language of English for now. And the root domain is the base part of your domain name. Since I'm installing locally, that's going to be localhost for me. And we can choose the scheme. I'm going to choose standard HTTP. Now, if we are installing in a subdirectory, we need to specify that here. So you notice that I installed in the tutorial directory. So I'll type that. I'm using MySQL, and for the storage engine, I'm using MyISAM. I'm using the local host also for my database host, and my username is root, and then I'll type in my password. The database name is the name of the database I just created. Now, the admin username is the name that you'll use to log into the website you're creating. I'm going to stick with admin for now, but you could choose anything. And then I'm going to create a password that I can remember, and then I'm going to type it again. Now, you would enter your own email address here. And now you'll want to review this information and make sure that it's all correct. Once you're sure, then you're going to say yes. And it says, now you need to run this another command. So we're going to type php bin console Zicula install finish. And it runs through the install process quite quickly, and there we're done. So now we should be able to go to our website. So in my case, I'll type localhost tutorial. And it will take a moment to load the first time because it has to create many cache files. repeated loadings will take less time. Here we have our website the first time. We can log in using the admin credentials that we created. Once that's done, we can see we have a working website with many options. We can visit our profile by clicking on this, our account information, go back to the main site. We can view the search. And finally, we can see this little hamburger icon opens up an administration panel, allowing you to see all the modules that are currently installed and quick access to many sub-functions from there, like for example the settings. So that's Zicula Core 2.0.0. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll take the time to give Zicula a try. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.